Okay, hello and welcome back. So I just want to share this experience with you. I got a notification on my channel that one of my shorts has gotten over 100,000 views, and this is the first YouTube short on my channel to hit 100,000 views. And I'm so curious to know like how much has this YouTube short end with 100,000 views. So I would like you to check it out with me, and I would like to also compare it with a long form video on my channel that is up to that number of views. So here you can see that this YouTube short has gotten 102,000 views, and the reach, I mean the source of the traffic, most of the views came through YouTube search. That is 96% of the views on this channel came through YouTube search. So this shows that SEO is still working very well in 2025. Now, checking on the engagement, you can see that 68,000 viewers engage, or 68,000 views engage with this short. From here, you can see how viewers engage. 62% of the views stayed to watch the video, and then 37% swiped away. So this shows that the short performed like a little bit above average in terms of engagement. Then let's check the audience. Where are the audience from? So here we can see that the audience, the device type, definitely to be mobile, because it's a vertical content type. So 80% were viewed it on their mobile. And then I want to really know where the topography, because this is the core. Now 30% from India, 19% from the United States. So this will also somehow affect the revenue of this YouTube short. So now to the revenue. Bang. So you can see the 100,000 views on this YouTube short, has earned this channel $6.19, and the RPM is around 9 cents. It's 9 cents. So you can see, from here you can see that from the RPM, this suggests that you are being paid for the engaged views. So this shows to an extent that when people swipe your YouTube short quickly or immediately, you might end up not earning from that, earning from the view on that video. So from here you can see that engaged views, not overall view, but engaged view, is 68,000. So the RPM is 9 cents, and that end mean $6.19. So I would like to take you to a long form video on my channel, and what I will probably have earned with 100,000 views or up to 100,000 views on a video on my channel. So here, let me just pick one of these videos. Okay, I have this one that's about 92,000 views. That's close to 100,000. So let's see how much this video has earned. So here you can see that this video has gotten 92,000 views. So let's check the source of this view. You can see that it's mainly YouTube recommendations, that is browse features and suggested videos. Only 6% is from YouTube search. Then on the engagement side, it has gotten 6,000, almost 7,000 watch time hours. And let's see the audience. Most of the viewers watch it through mobile, that is 68%. Then let's go to the topography. The topography, 29% from Nigeria, 21% from the United States, 5% from the UK. So how much has this video earned so far with 92,000 views? You can see $679.87. So you can see the disparity. The short is $6, while a long form video on this channel has earned over $600 with almost the same number of views. Now if you check the RPM, you can see here, you can see the difference between the short views, the RPM in the short and in the long form video. So on long form videos, you are being paid for the views, whether someone skip the adverts on the video or not, as long as the video got view and the person saw the ads. So here the RPM of this video is $7.40, and with 91,000, that is the current view that has been collated on this video, it has earned $679.87. Advertisers paid $14.25 for this video, that is the CPM. So you can see the difference or the margin between the earnings of short video and long form videos. So now if you want to, if you want to make the calculation, like how many views with a short get to be able to earn up to this over $600, it will take the short about 10 million views to earn this. So this shows that for you to earn more from your YouTube short, you must get so much views on it. So you can see that this video, almost 100,000 views, has gotten over $600, while the short with 100,000 views has not even hit up to $10. So you can see the difference. So choose your destiny. If you want to go through the short route or if you want to go through the long form route. And mind you, there's nothing wrong with creating short content on your channel. Shorts is meant for a particular purpose, while long form videos also is meant for a particular purpose. I've talked about this in my previous video, and if you want to know more about the purposes of these different content formats, then you need to join me in my upcoming live stream. So I'll be doing an open mic where creators in this community will come around and will discuss about YouTube Shorts and long form videos, and also live streaming. So I would like to hear from you how each of these type of content has helped your channel so far. So if you feel like you want to share it with the community, creators will be joining tomorrow. So this will be tomorrow, that is on Sunday. So if you've been interested, it's an open mic. You join me live, you talk about your channel. How has any of this content type helped your channel to grow, or is it killing your channel, or is it building your channel further? And if you have issues with your AdSense verification or your channel's monetization, if you want to apply and you need a good hand and experience and to handle your YouTube monetization application, you can also sign up to my YouTube support program. So this is it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be part of the community and also be part of the live stream, then hit the subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching. This is just a short one from me. I will see you in the next live stream.